So hi friends, welcome back to investing. And you may be wondering, what's new about investing? And by the way, I've been making videos trying to explain what is the difference between investing and trading. I've been making videos to talk about how to read financial statements and valuation of the company. And today here I come back to square one trying to explain to you what is investing. No, I'm not here to explain you what is investing, but I'm trying to understand why people keep away from the term investing. When we use the word investing, it is very much correlated with stocks. And when we purchase property or gold, a lot of people do it from a future perspective. They don't use the word investing, by the way. And I have been just trying to recollect from my past, that a lot of people who have been purchasing property and gold, they have been always continuously saying that I am purchasing this property or land so that my son can build a house in the future, or maybe sell this property in the future so that they can encash it towards some certain events, maybe like marriage or future higher studies. And the same thing goes with gold. Okay, always the mindset is towards the future perspective, that the future returns. And when it comes to stocks, a lot of people run away. Why is it that when we put money to purchase stocks, we don't have the mentality of a future perspective of returns when we buy a company? A company itself by itself sells products, right? It has its own real estate premises from which it probably earns interest, dividends. Isn't it possible to think, when we put money to buy stocks, we are buying it from a future perspective? It's just a question to my friends, to you in fact. Probably you might be investing in stocks, then it may be not the video for you. But if you are not even investing in stocks, please rethink once again, if should our mentality be changed to view stocks just like the way we view property and gold. I'm not saying not to invest in property or not to invest in gold. What I'm saying is view all this perspective, whether it's gold or property or stocks, as an investment avenue. And how to invest it at the right moment of time, whether we should put our money to buy gold today, whether we should put our money to buy property today, or whether we should put our money to buy stocks today. Isn't that something which we need to think about? Because the future returns is determined by the price in which we invest today. Isn't then valuation of whether it comes to gold or property or stocks important to you? I mean, everything is from a future perspective. Let's not say only property and gold is from a future perspective and stocks, let us keep away from it. Nah, I have had literally a lot of bad experiences in the past. Maybe parents have been saying to their kids, I have this agent coming to me and I have been duped because of the false certificates, false share certificates which have been issued, or probably certain tips what the agent might have been giving to your parents or maybe you also, which might have been a big blunder or failure. Or maybe you have just been lucky to ride on a high peak market and today you're into losses. It could be anything, the reason of why you might be staying away from the stocks. But nevertheless, the risk, because why you're losing money in the stock market, is because of the lack of study done in a particular stock, or study done towards how to invest into different avenues of assets that are available in today's world. That is very important to understand how different assets perform in various market conditions, right? That is the key to understand how to become wealthy in the future. And by the way, I feel that the word investing can be used even for gold, can be used even for property, and likewise in stocks it is commonly used. Likewise, the word future perspective or future return can be used for all three of them. So please rethink on your decision when you think about buying property and gold. And one more interesting fact about our country, India, is that a lot of population, 80% and above, almost close to 80% to 90% of the population is being invested in either property or gold. I am not saying that you shouldn't be investing in property and gold, but nevertheless, should stock only hold 10% of your portfolio is something needs to be rethought about, isn't it? I have been rethinking about this aspect myself, because my journey also has been catered towards putting a lot of investments or a lot of money into property, and then maybe gold keeping away at times, and buying at times, a very impulsive decisions to buy gold. And when the impulse came to buy gold was when the price rose up, in a hurry, that gold prices are rising high, so let me invest money in buying gold. And the same likewise mentality you would see when you buy stocks, right? When the stocks go high, you jump into buying the stocks. Something which we need to ponder back to ourselves and to understand whether is it something wrong with our emotion? Are we getting emotional by looking at the prices of gold? Are we getting emotional by looking at the prices of stocks? Should we work on our emotion, our mindset, to control our emotions, to take better decisions whether to buy stocks or whether to buy gold or property today? So it's all the mindset game, my friends, and please work on your mindset, or as much as possible to control emotions so that you have clarity. And it's possible to control your mindset, right? There are so many videos available on YouTube. Anyway, how you can control your mindset, and the easiest way for me is to be relaxed, be calm, chill it out, just meditate maybe, so that you can have clarity of mind before you choose your avenue of investment. And when I say investment, it is always from a future perspective. So don't let market experts misguide you, my friends. Okay, I am myself not a market expert, by the way. Myself, I have been working into the IT industry for a long period of time. And since 10 years, I have been investing into stocks, property, and gold as well. Nevertheless, I have understood that there are different assets involved where you can put your money to buy avenues which can beat inflation so that you can become wealthy. So guys, please hit the subscribe button so they can see the next subsequent videos. And before you think about purchasing, think about long term as well, together simultaneously, and work on your mindset so that you can have clarity before you choose your investing avenue. See you guys. That's all I wanted to share in this particular video. Hope you have enjoyed it. See you then. Bye.